빙하보트 체험입니다.
Boats on the water. Kijk dat maar mooi uit.
이거 빠질라
Alright
조심해라.
guys, welcome on board. My name is Nicholas. I'm going to be a guide for today. So if you have any questions, obviously about this area would be nice. I don't know about South Africa, but I know a bit about Iceland. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask, alright? Don't be shy today.
This is probably why it's called Iceland.
Yes! Lots of icebergs, lots of glacier. And yeah, I have one safety instruction before we start the tour. Please be seated all the time, okay?
Okay.
If you want to stand up, you can ask me.
Yeah.
And besides that, just have a good time and enjoy.
와, 멋있는데요? 오, 진짜.
Is there any fish in this? No. Yeah.
Good question. And yes, even though this lake is really cold,
Yeah.
it is 2 degrees Celsius. So I didn't ask where you're from actually. I'll answer that question in a second. Where are you from?
Originally, Siberia.
Siberia.
Yeah.
Originally, where you live now?
Seattle area.
Seattle. Right. So you still know about meters and Celsius and all of that?
Yeah.
Lovely. Okay. Where are you from?
Korean,
Korea.
living Norway and Korea.
Right.
Yes.
Amazing. Lovely. What about you?
Belgium.
Belgium. Okay. So I ask always this question. The where in Belgium? I didn't ask that.
In the Flanders part.
The Flemish part.
Flemish
Yeah,
part.
Right,
Yeah.
right. So what is it?
It's not Antwerpen.
Not Antwerpen, no?
But it's near to the Dutch and the German border. It's called
Hasselt.
Hasselt.
Okay, Hasselt.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Hasselt.
All right. Right. Yeah, okay. I kind of know where it is.
Oh yeah, okay.
So I always ask this question because now I know if I need to recalculate anything in feet or Fahrenheit or what is it? What else is it? Miles.
Yeah.
I don't need to this time, right?
Yeah.
Lovely. Lovely. So yeah, this lake is 2 degrees Celsius.
Yeah.
Really cold water temperature, and it's 100% fresh water in here. There's no salt water at all,
Yeah.
which means just small fish can survive in this area. Fish like herrings or krills, they can adapt to this kind of water, and they feed on bacteria, which is amazing for them in here. Yeah, so small creatures,
Yeah.
nothing big.
What about salmon? Do you have salmon in Iceland?
We do have salmon in Iceland, but not in here.
Yeah, only.
Always not in here. Yeah, we have beautiful salmon, we have really nice trout, we have the Arctic char, like really nice fish. Like, I think Iceland is one of the best countries for eating fish actually.
And do you also
Not
see?
You give, no, you first yourself. It's okay. You first.
Okay, go for it.
Yeah, I was wondering if you also see that the planet is warming up and the glacier is going back and less ice.
So we have something which is called global warming, which doesn't mean necessarily that the planet is warming up, just saying. For example, we had the coldest winter here in Iceland since 30 years now.
Yes?
Yes.
Strange.
But it's not strange. It's exactly what they're talking about. Global warming is not about getting warmer constantly,
Extreme.
it's more about getting more extreme.
Yeah.
Exactly. So we had a really warm, really cold winter, and now we expect a really warm summer.
Yeah.
But we definitely see the effect of global warming here. For example, this glacier tongue here is retreating now since around 100 years. It starts to retreat in the late 1890s, which was obviously a natural cause.
Yeah.
Now in the last 20 years, it is retreating quite a lot. Retreating around 50 meters per year.
50 meters.
So it's around 1 meter per week.
That's incredible.
Yeah, the fastest retreating glacier here in Iceland is actually retreating 1 meter per day.
What means retreating?
Sorry.
What does it mean, retreating?
Retreating means receding, going back,
Going
melting back. So what was your question? You want to say something?
Actually, it was a simple question. What kind of features you suggest right here?
Yeah. So, what kind of future?
No, what kind of fish?
Fish. Oh, yeah. Herrings, krills, that's it.
Again?
Herrings and krills in here, in this lake.
Okay.
Very small ones.
Small creatures.
오, 얼음 덩어리 봐라.
No, he suggests herring is actually free.
오, 이 얼음 덩어리.
Small fish. Like this.
When the sun is shining, is the water blue?
Not at all.
Not at all. And how come?
So this is called glacier milk.
Glacier milk.
Yeah. We have this a lot actually around the world. Every glacier looks like this normally. If you see, for example, glacier lakes, if you see like a river, for example, it's kind of turquoise and crystal clear because the water is flowing. In here, this water stayed in here now since around 80 years.
Yeah.
Which means the sediments, the bacteria and the minerals, they stay in here all the time. There's nothing to clear this up.
Yeah.
We have a small river to the south down here, but the river is really snaky, really shallow. So there's no white water coming in this lake to clear it up.
En dan is hier zitten? It looks like a swan.
Ah, like a swarm.
Yeah.
This one over here, you mean?
Yeah.
오,
Yeah, true.
오.
I want to show you how much we actually can see of an iceberg, even these small pieces. What do you think how much we can see?
Oh, the biggest part is underwater, right?
Same percentage.
이렇게 위에 들어있는 빙하가 10%래.
오!
웬일이야?
우와.
And we see exactly what I explained. So there's not much air here, so it's really crystal clear. And here's lots of air bubbles, so it's actually turning kind of into white a little bit. If there would be air bubbles everywhere, this would be completely white.
What you are holding in your hand maybe thousands years.
500 years old.
500.
This piece is 500 years old.
How do you know?
Because I know when the glacier started to grow and I know when it started to retreat.
Yeah.
So I can give it around. You want to hold it?
Yeah, sure.
오,
You can put it on your jacket, it's not as cold then. You're holding ancient ice in your hands.
I want to touch it.
Oh, thank you.
Зачем? No,
Ancient ice.
тяжелый.
우와.
Where is the whiskey?
오, 헤비.
Ah, yeah. You need pretty big glass for this, correct?
Yeah.
But you mentioned it's only 500.
You can bring it home.
Yes.
Only, I mean, it's quite a while.
No. I mean, of course it's quite a while, but the serious means 500 years it was it started to grow,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
So it means it was warmer before 500 years.
Yeah.
Dat is gelijk rotsen gewoon. Rotsen van sneeuw. Zie je daar ook?
So this is about how close I can get to the glacier safely.
Yeah.
We don't want to get any closer because of the height of this glacier. Like the face is up the front, everybody gets a shot, make some kind of a rotation motion.
Okay.
Yeah, we can take some pictures. Let's do that.
Okay, you can.
So you start maybe, you two? I put